Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Want to show what you're vibing to on SoundCloud directly on your Discord profile? Good news, there's a simple way to set SoundCloud as your Discord status, and I'll walk you through it in just a couple of minutes. Let's go. First, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom left. Scroll down to Connections. This is where you can link services like Spotify, YouTube, GitHub, and more. Now, here's the thing. SoundCloud isn't available as a built-in connection, but we have a workaround. Go to your SoundCloud and start playing the track you like. Then go back to Discord. Under User Settings, scroll to Activity Status and toggle on Display Current Activity as a status message. Now manually set your custom status by clicking your profile picture at the bottom left. Type something like listening to track name on SoundCloud, or even paste the SoundCloud link directly. Set a time limit if you want, and hit save. Now, your friends can see your custom SoundCloud status, and if you want it dynamic, you can even use third-party bots or Discord RPC tools, but this basic method works great for most users. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.